The Annapolis market, conventional financing continues to dominate at nearly 60% of all transactions, while cash buyers remain strong at 20%. It's Friday, February 20th, 2026. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker-owner of Kinetic Realty, your go-to real estate resource in Maryland. This is the weekly Annapolis Real Estate Report. In Annapolis, with its waterfront appeal, proximity to Washington, D.C., and strong second home demand, cash continues to play a major role. VA financing makes up 15% of the market, a significant share reflecting our military presence. FHA and other financing types represent just a small fraction of overall activity. Inventory in Annapolis continues to shrink. The area's inventory dropped again this report to 141 units for sale and at a median $598,000 list price while they've been on the market for 59 days. With only these 141 homes available, Annapolis remains in a relatively tight market. Sellers still have leverage, but condition and pricing will matter more than ever. Another 11 units will be coming soon at a median $715,000, a higher median price point than the last report, indicating that sellers at higher price points are preparing to enter the market. 16 properties went under contract this week in 32 days and at a median list price of $557,500. Homes going under contract are priced below the current active median price. Buyers are responding most strongly to homes in the mid $500,000 range. 16 properties sold at 100% list to sold, and the median sold price was $650,000 in 7 days. Homes that are selling fast, at least faster than the Maryland average and definitely faster than the national average. They are selling at full asking price, 100% list to sold. This tells us Annapolis remains a strong competitive market, but it's a market that rewards strategy and precision. Available rentals ticked up to 40 units for lease at a median $2,865 per month. Got questions? Give me a call and let's talk about your real estate situation. That's a wrap for this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, February 20th, 2026. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. I will see you next week. Take care.